Hello everyone, welcome to Swiflearn YouTube Channel and your Sushma Ma'am back again with a new topic, that is the probability of 7th grade ICSE board. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn what is the meaning of probability and where it will be used. I hope everyone like watching cricket. Yeah, so there who will first do the batting, who will do the bowling, how they will decide? By tossing the coin. But how? So today, in today's class, I'll tell you everything. So first, I'll introduce Swiflearn for our new viewers. So everyone know, those who are with us from the very beginning, Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 and 10. Okay, so it's 1 to 10 and here all the classes are 100% live and interactive. And you know, here every kid get the personal attention of their teacher, and to give the personal attention, we have only maximum number of students 6 in the batch and minimum 1 if you want your kid get the one-on-one session. So we'll provide that thing also. And our academic team working on student progress, they track their progress, whether they are doing their homework or not, and they are in regular touch with parents, and we are covering your syllabus as per your preference. It may be ICSE, CBSE, and so many things we have, means the key feature of our platform. So here, suppose you want some extra classes, and whenever we are conducting the PTM, so during that we provide the detailed progress report, and excluding that homeworks, we also provide you practice tests. A lot of things are there. So those who are new viewers, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So if you don't want to miss any of the update of any videos, because every day we are giving you number of videos of different subjects and different topics. And if you feel this video going to be helpful for you, so press the like button, comment and share, because पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Yes, तो चलिए start करते हैं. So today's topic is probability. Yeah, probability. Okay, so today's class objective, what is the meaning of chance, probability, experiment, outcome. So this is the introductory part, and in this, so in the 7th grade we have only a few things. So I'll tell you all these things, and today we'll do the questions on the basis of probability. Okay, so here, yes, everyone like watching match, and especially India versus Pakistan. So here, suppose it's a Pakistan and India's match, so who will do the batting and who will first do the bowling? Yeah. And we have the next example. So during the match, if they are saying it may be rain today, so what is the chance? Chance. And the chance here, the question is, what are the chance that it will rain today? Yes. So here we have a number of questions this type comes in our mind, and all these situations are based on chance. So here we are saying chance. And if you are saying आपके दोस्त बोलते हैं कि क्या मैं एग्जाम में पास हो जाऊंगा, तो आप बोलते हो कि हो सकता है, चांस है. So what is that meaning of chance? So let's see what is the meaning of this word chance. So chance means probability of something happening, or how likely it for something to happen. होने और ना होने. That's not giving the surety कि होगा ही, but हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता. So that is known as chance. Okay? होना या ना होने की probability. किसी भी event को होना या ना होने की chance probability, उसको बोलते हैं chance. Now come to the new particular term, experiment and outcome. अब एक्सपेरिमेंट, साइंटिस्ट ने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए तो उनको आउटकम मिला. यस, सो इसी वे में लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन्स एन एक्शन which yields some outcome. Suppose you toss a coin. Okay, so you get either head or either tail. So that head or tail is your outcome. But when you toss the coin, so that action is known as experiment. Okay, आपने हिट किया बॉल को बैट से, सो चांस होगा वो 4 होगा या 6 होगा. दैट इज आपने हिट किया, दैट इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट. Okay, so tossing a coin is the experiment. But what is outcome? After performing the action, the result is known as outcome. So set of all possibility in an experiment is called outcome. है ना? जो बाहर आया, बाहर कहाँ से आया? एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद जो हमें मिला, आउटपुट मिला, that is the outcome. Okay, but it may be there we have the number of chance. सपोज आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल से बाहर निकले 10th क्लास के बोर्ड के बाद और न्यूज रिपोर्टर खड़े बाहर. ओके, सो वो आपसे पूछते हैं कि क्या चांस है, आपको कितने मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. सो यू आर सेइंग मे बी 70-80. आज का पेपर ऐसा था तो मे बी हो सकता है हमें इतने मार्क्स आ जाए. बट यू आर नॉट गिविंग द एश्योरिटी. आप चांस बता रहे हो. आप एग्जाम लिख के आए, दैट इज योर एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, एक्शन परफॉर्म किया. बट आउटकम्स जो आएंगे मे बी समवन रीच 50 to 60. सो एग्जाम टफ था, क्वेश्चन पेपर टफ था, बट वहां पर आउटकम्स डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं. सो दैट इज द आउटकम. सो यहाँ पर हम स्कूल लाइफ की बात करेंगे तो हम एग्जाम्स की बात ही करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, सो पॉसिबल आउटकम ऑफ टॉसिंग कॉइन आर हेड और टेल. नाउ लेट्स कम टू दिस. एवरीवन लाइक प्लेइंग लूडोज, यस, and snake ladder. So what are the possible outcome of throwing a dice? So now see how many sides we have in a dice. It's a cube, yeah. So how many sides we have? How many faces we have? We have the 6 faces, and on each face we have some number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you can see. So what are the possible outcome? These are the possible outcome. If you throw the dice, so it may be 1, it may be 2, it not occur, na? You will get 2 or 3 at once. No, you will get only 1 chance. Yes, so that these are the outcomes if you throw one dice, if you throw a dice. So what happen if you throw 2 dice at once? 2 dice at once. So these are the possible outcomes. Okay, now 2 coins. If you throw 2 coins at once, so what is the outcome? Let's see this also. So what are the outcomes? So here, first thing, remember, if you throw 1 coin, okay, let's take 1 coin example. So head and tail, and always write the possible outcome in the curly brackets. This is the first, yes, main important point. And if you are seeing 2 coins, so how many outcomes? For the 1 coin we have the 2 outcome. So 2 coins mean 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so how many outcomes now you have? You have head or tail, tail head or tail. I'll show you how. Suppose you have this head and tail. Okay, and in the next one you have head and tail. So you are taking the distributive property. Head. So first is head tail. Okay. Then now this one tail head, and then come to this tail. And these are your possible outcomes. 4. Yes. Now if we'll talk about 3, if 3 coins you throw at once. So how many outcomes? Just think. 2 raised to the power 3. Yes, not 6. So here these are the outcomes. I already told you how you can make your own outcome. Don't be confused. No need to memorize. You can make your outcome by your own. Okay. So there are 4 possible outcomes when we toss 2 coins simultaneously. So now question, how many outcomes are there when we throw 2 dice? Now, एक डाइस को थ्रो किया था तो कितने आउटकम थे? We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And if we throw 2 dice, so one having 6, so 6 raised to the power. 6 raised to the power. How many? 36. And how? So this or distributive with all. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, I'll write down here clearly. Yeah. So 2 dice outcome. Yeah. So 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, and then similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. So you can take it as like this: 3 1 2 3 6, yes, 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5. Then similarly 4 1 2 4 6 5 1 5 6, and then 6 1 2 6 6, and these are your total 36 outcomes. I hope it's clear to you. Yeah. So how many outcomes? Total 36. So question number 2, how many outcomes are there of choosing random positive number up to 30? Positive. So positive number starts from 1. Yeah. And then up to 30, including 30. Means 2, 3 and so on till 30. Yeah. So how many outcomes? 30 are there. 30 are there. Yes. Now the next question here we have, suppose we throw a dice. Okay. How many times? 200 times. So in that case, number 1 outcome 40 times, 2 56, 3 34, 4. But if I throw dice again, yes, second time, so it will be same or not? Never, because they are likely possible, yes, but not always same. So based on the previous table, we can predict outcome for the next row? No, because suppose now I throw a coin. Okay, now I toss a coin. So in that one, it may be head, but next time when I toss a coin, it may be head, tail. The next may be head, maybe tail, but I am not giving the surety in that one. Okay, so I am not giving. So it means probability of getting any number is equally likely. So what is the probability? So here we have the two cases. I here probably means maybe or may not be. Okay, so this is the case of 0 or 1. So probability always lies between 0 to 1. So 0 means, suppose you come out of the examination hall and your mama asks or your friend asks, are you going to pass this exam? So said, no, impossible. The question paper is very tough, very difficult. I have to appear next time. You are confident you are going to fail. Just example. Okay, so that's impossible case. Impossible case shows 0. So in that case, impossible case, probability always 0. And if you say yes, are you going to pass it? Yes, 100%. I'm going to top this exam. 100% possible. Yes, or you can say the another one is certain. Okay, another word we are using for, so in that case probability always 1. And if I say sun rises from the east, yes, that truth, universal truth. So in that case probability is always 1. But if sun rises from the west, impossible. So probability is 0. And today India will win the match. It may be raining or not. So maybe, may not be case. Maybe, may not be. So these are the probabilities. So the probability always lies in between 0 to 1. I hope it's clear. So let's take examples. So probability is a numerical description of how likely an event is to occur. So probability is measured on a scale 0 to 1. Not more than 0, not More than 0 means 0 to 1. Okay, so probability of something certain to happen is 1. Means for that we have the surety, that's possible, fixed. So this, in that case, probability is always 1. So probability of sun rising from east, it's a universal truth. So always 1. One more. So probability of getting a red ball from a box of red balls. You have a chocolate, yes, Kit Kat chocolate, and from that you have to randomly pick a one chocolate, and that should be of Kit Kat. So in that case, probability is always 1. But if I say you have a box of Kit Kat chocolate, and in that if you randomly pick a chocolate, that should be of Dairy Milk. Is that possible? No. So in that case, probability is 0. Yes, I hope everyone likes to eat chocolate. So probability of something not happening at all is 0. So probability of sun rising from the west? No, 0. Probability of getting a green ball from a box of red ball. The box is of red ball, but you are picking green ball. Impossible case. Impossible case means 0. Okay. So now can we estimate probability of even event? Estimation, probability, because we are not sure. Yes, we can estimate. Yes, we can estimate by the experiment. So whenever we will do the experiment, we will get the outcome, and these outcomes are helpful for us to find the probability. So here we have a formula to find the probability. So number of outcomes, if you do the experiment, after that you get the number of outcomes. So that number of outcomes are the favorable outcome. If you have the condition, so these are the favorable outcomes, okay, and these are the total number of possible outcome, total. So that's nothing but a fraction. Yeah, part divided by whole. Yeah, it's look like a formula of fraction. Is that the case? Absolutely. Yeah. So favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So here we have a question. Suppose we are throwing a dice once and the total possible outcomes are 6. So question is total number of outcome of even number. So what are the even numbers? You have to write down. So 2, 4, 6. How many? These are in number 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's why 3 is the favorable outcome and this is total. So 3 by 6 and you got the answer 1 by 2. So yo student, remember one thing, आपको हमेशा formula लिखना है, practice, and probability हमेशा ऐसे represent की जाती है. Okay, this E means event. Whenever the event happen, then only you get the outcome. Okay, so probability of event. That is, so here what is the event? Event is outcome of even numbers. This is the event for this. I hope it's clear to you all. Okay, so let's proceed. So here we have a question for you all. Let's see. So here we have a bag. Yeah. And in that bag we have some marble. So here we have to choose a purple marble from a bag. So how many purple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Okay, I'll write down by the number. And then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total I have 14. So 7 by 14 is nothing but 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. So let's write down here and then see whether our answer is correct or not. And let's check. Oh yeah, it's correct. So like this we are giving some more this type of GeoGebra also, that will be helpful for our kids. Yeah, so you can visit to our site and you can book a free trial class if you think it will be helpful for you, and you can share your experience with me here in the chat box. So question, given a standard die, determine the probability of following event when rolling the die one time. Probability of getting 5. 1. Yes. So means probability of rolling a 5. This means to find the probability of whatever indicate inside the parenthesis. Yes. So 5 how many times? 1 time. And total number of outcomes 6. 1 by 6. I'll show you the full answer in a detail. Odd numbers. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. How many are there? 3. So 3 by 6, that means again 1 by 2. And now probability of getting 7. We have only 6. So in that case probability is 0. Impossible case. So I will show you the explanation part of this. Okay. So here, so sample space, that is total number of outcomes, is 6. And number are 1 to 6 only. So there is no 7. Okay. So probability of getting 5. We have only 1 times 5. So 1 by 6. Odd numbers, we have 1, 3, 5. So 3 by 6, 1 by 2 and 0 for the 7. Okay, now the next question, there are 7 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6. So here I have a box, and in that box marbles are numbered like this. So I'm just, because most of the students confused in this question. Okay, so marbles are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and these all put in a box. So question is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So on how many numbers, on how many marbles the number 2 is there? Only one marble. And how many total marbles we have? 6. So 6, and here, and on how many marbles we have number 2? 1. So answer is 1 by 6. This is the probability of event this. Okay. Now what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? How many marbles on which we have the number 5? Only one marble. So 1 by 6. 6 are the total. Is it clear? Yes. Very good. Okay. So find the probability of getting a number 7 while throwing a dice. Is there 7 on a dice? No, so 0. Find the probability of getting a prime number while throwing a dice. Prime number 2, 3, 5. Yes. So here probability of even, these are the possible, these are the favorable outcome. Yeah, these are the favorable outcome. And how are the total? How many are the total? 6 are the total. So answer is 1 by 2. Yeah, most of the case we have got the 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 answer. Yeah. Okay, so here what we have learned in today's class. So today we have learned what is the meaning of probability, chance, the definition of experiment, outcome, yes, and how we get this probability by the random experiment. Whenever event happen, experiment happen, so outcome comes, and in that case we have the chance to find the probability. So this is the end of the session. Thank you everyone. And if you feel this video is really helpful for you, press the like button, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, and if you want to do the question little bit quickly, you want to learn a trick, so we already have a session. We have so secret strategies of Vedic maths, also the series you can see there. You can watch the videos, by that you can improve your calculation skill. Okay, so in the next class your Sushma Ma'am will bring a new topic. So till then, bye bye, have a good day, be safe.